Hello guys, welcome back to our video of the keyboard of the M1 replacement. At this stage we're gonna mounting the Wi-Fi antenna and the screen. As you can see, we're gonna unscrew all the screw on the top. This is a little bit technical. For this we remove it from it because by yourself is hard. As you can see, the screen has been removed. As soon as we do that, we're gonna apply the keyboard back to the new keyboard inside. For this, as soon as we done that, we're gonna apply again the antenna. That this works like a sort of double-sided tape underneath. For this, you get stuck it there. After we put the antenna, we screw like that, gonna be blocked, and you're gonna work easier and faster. For this, we're gonna point few screw. As I told you, it's better that you do step by step. Every time you remove something, if you can put on the other side, you have to do it. Like that, your life will be easier, simple, and the job come to perfection. After you don't need to do many steps at the time. For this, as you can see, I put in safety everything. I screw back everything where I can, obviously, because after if we go some other parts, you need reopen and reclose, reopen and reclose. For this, instead of do a good job, you do a bad job because you need to work double. As soon as you do that, you're gonna screw everything. As soon as you screw everything, you're gonna put the motherboard. As soon as you put the motherboard back, you see it, you screw it, everything's gonna settle. Like this, you start to screw it, everything. And the job is almost done, guys. You see, the hardest part is done. Hopefully we didn't make any mistake and everything's gonna be functional. You see, I start to plug the antenna back. Like this, gonna work the Wi-Fi properly. It's always stuffed with gloves to stack the antenna back to the motherboard. This is the speaker. Like this. Let us know if you like this type of comment, guys. Comment below, like, share, whatever. Follow us like that. You put ourselves in good shape. Like this, we can make more content for you. You see, after we plug everything back, the other speaker, we are almost done, guys. We re-put all the screw, and after you can see on the video everything. Let us know if you like it. What we show you, please like and share, follow us if you like it. We are always available. If you have any question, if you want to know something about, if we can help in any way, we are more than glad to do it for you. For this, as soon as we do that, you see, I almost screw everything. After, in the final part, I will show you the test. You see, it's almost everything settled. Let's go.